Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. I already know minor and major scales. Do I need to learn the modes as well? So this is a very clear answer. Yes, you absolutely also need to learn the different modes. Let me illustrate it this way. Think colors and painting. So let's suppose that the major scale is the white color and the minor scale is the black color. So if you can use black and white, you can definitely paint a lot of things. So the question becomes, okay, I know how to paint in black and white. Do I need to learn more colors? And the answer is obviously yes. You need to think about it this way. Each scale, each mode has its own unique color. When you have amazing players like Steve Vai or Joe Satriani using different modes, they're not doing it to impress you with the fancy names. They want to use this specific color of sound in their composition. This is what they hear in their head, this is the sound they're going for, and this is why they're choosing the specific mode, because of this unique sound. Now, depending on the colors they use, the modes they use, they develop their unique style. So, for example, Steve Vai will use the Lydian scale a lot, Yngwie Malmsteen will use the Phrygian dominant scale a lot in the harmonic minor, and when you listen to those players, you can hear this specific sound. So do you need to learn the modes? Well, my question to you is, do you want access to these colors, to these sounds? If you want access to these sounds, you definitely, absolutely have to learn the modes. Now, we're not going to do the how in this video. This is not a how-to video. It's more of a like, do I need to do it or not? And the answer is yes, definitely do it. We will have a series of videos on how to learn the modes and what's the best way to approach them, but this is for later on. For now, know that it's a very, very good idea to learn the modes, or at least several modes, because you cannot learn them all. You can learn them all, the modes, on the regular modal system, the modal system of the major scale, but there's way too many modes to learn them all in all different systems. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions, and I will make sure I answer them in one of the next videos.